Hiccups happen when the diaphragm suddenly spasms, causing quick air intake. Common causes: 1. Eating quickly or overeating. 2. Drinking carbonated drinks or alcohol. 3. Sudden temperature changes. 4. Stress or excitement. 5. Acid reflux. Instant remedies: 1. Hold your breath. 2. Sip cold water. 3. Swallow a spoonful of sugar. 4. Hug knees to chest. 5. Breathe into a paper bag. 6. Gently pull on your tongue. 7. Press gently below the ribcage. Consult a doctor if hiccups last over 48 hours. Don't forget to like and follow for updates.